Your meeting with Uncle Etiko was splendid. At least he made mention of the things which we had in mind. Omar, that's right.
Mama, and where was splendid the meeting day? I mean, how can we give Omar that one live cow? What are they doing with one live cow?
Felix, it is our tradition. If you fail to give it to them, you will pay a fine. And you will still give them that cow. So take it easy. Pico.
This is wickedness. No, this is pure wickedness.
Felix, you're supposed to know these things by now. Omar, that's right. It's not negotiable. Pray not to enter their trap.
We are talking about Omar here. Felix, we are talking about Omar. They are very strong. Anyway, Mama, we'll be going back to the city tomorrow as to prepare for our father's burial.
I keep praying that God will give us the strength to prepare for this, your father's burial, so that the poor man will go and rest in peace.
Amen. Felix,
Honey, wait. Are you leaving now?
Yes.
I was going to ask you this in the village, but I forgot.
Okay.
Did those people pay that money to your father's account before he died?
Oh, no, they didn't. Why do you ask?
No, nothing. I just wanted to know if they did.
No, they didn't, but we signed the necessary agreement and the documents before father died. Yes.
So, how is it going to be now? I mean, what's the way forward?
Everything is paused for now after the burial, then we know how we move forward.
Honey, you don't seem to understand my point. You don't understand.
Whatever your point is, that should be after the burial. That's when we'll start all over with the plans. Is that all you want to ask me?
Bye.
Money rules the world. Even man do be a boy. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see?
I still do not understand why your brother would say such a thing when your father is still in the mortuary. It doesn't make sense,
I objected immediately. He couldn't believe it when I told him that everything has to hold on till we bury our father.
Are you sure he won't go behind you to give them his account?
No, he cannot do that. I've already told the managing director to give us little time to bury our father.
I still suggest you tell him not to do anything without your consent.
My dear, going there would make no sense. I mean, it's not going to make any meaning because he can't just do anything.
I pray and hope so.
Pray so. Started the match. Nice one. Shoot the ball now.
Oh, leave me.
Sorry, dear.
do you have to hit me that hard?
This is the comprehensive list of what is involved in our father's burial.
This one.
Live band, 700,000.
This one. Or you came mazi looking at Boko Divido. Eh?
Okay, yes.
700,000. 2.4 million. Desmond, are we inviting the whole world? Eh? All of some pie are we inviting the whole world for our father's burial?
I mean, if we're inviting the whole world, we'll give our father the befitting burial. Then I don't mind.
Then I don't mind.
The man of money.
Well, me, I mind because as it stands, I don't even have any money to support the 2.1.
Hold it. How much do you have?
I don't have any money, which you know. One name and I manage or my manage. If you don't have any money for this 2.4, how can you write 2.4 million for burial? How can you say 2.4 million now? One name I can say no, man. If you want to give our father the fitting burial, fine. You're richer, you can sponsor the burial. Yeah? Well, I go now manage it. Well, 2.4 million. Nah, that call the alcohol.
Felix, how much do you have?
This month I was thinking, at least if the company pay us the money they are meant to pay us, from there, we'll use the money and give our father a befitting burial, like you said. I just hear whiskey, Joe, Mobilibo, Joe flavor. I've got the money and manage it.
Felix, see, what you don't understand is that we're not supposed to use that money for our father's burial.
Why?
Even though it has been paid. You and I can bury our father.
Well, you and I cannot really bury our father because I don't have that kind of money. Besides, Desmond, money don't speak. The money does not talk. People won't even know where the money came from. All people know is that we gave our father a befitting burial. Nobody knows how the money came.
Felix, our father trained us very well and gave us a beautiful, bright future. It's very unfortunate that he's not around to reap the fruit of his labor. But we have to give him the befitting burial. We have to make him happy.
Desmond.
We have to bury that man very well.
Desmond, yes, it's true. Our father gave us a bright future, well accepted. But then, our father cannot see. He's dead. The dead don't see, not speak. He wouldn't know how the whole thing went. I'm talking too much. The bottom line is a Jerome 2. A Jerome Gonji here to do this burial list in what I hear.
Anyway, you've seen the list. So go and look for 1 million while I look for 1.4 million.
Mwabo Felix, but tofu mili. 1 million naira. From where? No, where am I supposed to get 1 million naira? From the money I'm using to manage my life with my family. Or I should go to my business and take 1 million. Now, Desmond, please, you are richer. You can sponsor the burial. If it's a must that you must use this 2.4 million to bury our father. I've told you, I do not have 1 million naira.
Wrap that list and put it inside.
No, bro, wrap please. If I wrap it, I'll use it and go to toilet. Well, I knew one man. 1 million naira. How can you be saying this now? Man, I have a school and me well. 1 million from where? Where am I looking for 1 million? I've told you, I do not have 1 million. I don't have 1 million from anywhere.
Honey, you still haven't told me the outcome of the meeting you had with your brother.
It didn't go well.
It didn't go well? How do you mean it didn't go well?
Desmond made an estimate of 2.4 million naira for our father's burial.
That's too much. Is he planning to invite the whole world?
Exactly what I asked him.
That's too much.
That is way too much.
Wait, were you not supposed to make the estimate of the money with him together? Were you not?
Making the estimate together is not my problem.
Then what is your problem?
My problem is that I don't have that kind of money. I do not have 1 million. He said I should bring 1 million naira while he brings the rest. Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from?
Did you tell him you don't have such money?
Of course I did. I even suggested we send our account number to the company. At least the money they will pay us. From there, we'll use it and do our father's burial. But he refused, saying we don't need to touch the money. We need to use our own money for the burial.
And you accepted?
What would you have me do?
What would I have you do? Then you look for the 1 million naira and give to him. What else do you want me to do too? After all, you told me it was going to be after the burial. How can your brother say such a thing and you allow him? How? You don't have the money. And you will not tell him. You will not be a man.
Where am I supposed to get 1 million naira from? Where?
Honey, I don't understand you. Why are you here lamenting? Why did you not tell him you don't have the money?
But I told him I do not have the money.
Why are you stressing yourself? It cannot happen, no. They cannot intimidate us. They cannot intimidate us because they have money more than us. Are they here? And when we get okay. Nonsense.
I want to sincerely thank you for the wonderful roles you all played during the burial of your father, my brother. I really appreciate. From my observation, all the people that came left very happy because of the great hospitality that you gave to them. So once again, I want to thank you very much.
On behalf of my children, we say thank you. Your efforts showed me that truly you had your brother's interest at heart. Thank you so much.
Uncle, I appreciate everything. There is nothing else to say. May God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you, Uncle.
There is only one thing that is remaining right now. Because of the role that the elders, our kinsmen, played during the burial, you need to find a gallon of palm wine and a carton of beer and give to them.
What's the drink for?
To show appreciation now for the cooperation they gave to us.
Cooperation. What did they contribute in this burial? I don't understand. We've given them car, we gave them drinks. They still want extra. I mean, sweet thing.
I've heard what you said. We will go.
Okay, you will go and give them. You will go. Okay, no, since this one, give them. There's no problem.
You are a wise man.
That reminds me, love. You did not tell me about the outcome on how the money will be paid.
Sorry, love, I forgot. I came back so tired and I went to bed straight. I had to go to bed. But there's no problem. Desmond is going to see the MD today to sign the necessary documents for that.
Desmond is going to see the MD today?
Yes?
Without you?
Does it matter?
It matters. Baby, I'm sure you don't know how much we're talking about here. 300 million naira. That is what you left for your brother alone? Come on, baby. Come on.
What are you insinuating?
What am I insinuating? What I'm talking about is your carefree attitude.
You still haven't answered my question. What are you insinuating?
Okay, fine. When the money arrives, in whose account is it going to be paid into?
Desmond's account, of course.
Hey! Chimebuku no more.
Is there anything wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with that. Baby, I thought you're wise. I mean, how could you ever agree with such plan? Such huge amount of money to be paid into his personal account for what? Why? Okay, fine. Whoever believed that your father was going to die after signing the document? No one. You see? Baby, what I'm trying to say is that anything can happen. You have to be very intelligent about this. If not, if anything eventually happens, your money will be denied and you can't do anything about it.
So, where are you driving at? Are you saying that something is going to happen to me or my brother?
No, of course, my love. Nothing is definitely going to happen to you.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that we have to take precaution. We should. Baby, 300 million naira is not a chicken feed. It is something that we should look into. Yes. Listen, honey. I know you're a bit educated. Haven't you heard about joint account?
That's what you see. Then you see. If you had listened to me, this wouldn't have happened.
Why must I listen to you? Why would the money be paid into your account?
Do you think I don't have current account? Yes, I do. I have current account. 2 bank accounts for that matter. So tell me why the money must be paid into your account, even if we had decided not to open an account for our father. Tell me why.
Sometimes it's better to skip being stubborn for
Shut
nothing.
up, my friend. Shut up.
Yes. Joint account, my love. Open joint account so that you'll be able to monitor whatever happens to the money. He's not going to take anything from that account without your consent. And that as well goes to him. That's it.
Jackie, are you done?
Yes.
I'm late for work.
Excuse me. Are you indirectly calling me a fool? Oh yes. Because I just finished talking and it was as if I was talking to myself. You could not even say a word.
Because I heard everything you said and I understood you. But I want to assure you one thing. My brother and I is past that level. Right? So stop thinking negative. Jackie. Here.
You have passed that level. Okay. Okay. I'll be here when it happens. And I hope you don't come to me to tell me anything.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. We are not like that.
I miss you too, my love. Alright, bye. Take care of my daughter.
She's also my daughter.
Please. I'll be here certainly. When it happens, you will definitely come to me. Nonsense.
How many generators
Mine generator, sir. Fridge is remaining just 6.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Yeah, I'm very sure.
Yes, I am. Fan is remaining just 3.
So the goods Solomon and Peter ordered for, have you supplied them?
Yes, I have.
So the 2 million naira check he gave you, where is it? The drawer.
Yes, sir.
Solomon and Peter, bad in my gear now, it's not so bad. Alright, sir. And thank you for patronizing us. Okay. Solomon and Peter, that's all. Thank you. Because I would like to see. No problems. I just want to see. Okay, I'm coming right here. I'm coming. Where's my shirt? Inside, right?
Yes, sir.
Baby, what did your brother say to you that got your mood messed up this way?
He said he's no longer comfortable with the company paying the money into my account.
Okay. So on whose account does he want it to be paid in?
He said he wants us to open a joint account.
That's alright. If that will make him happy.
That's exactly what I told him.
Money. The root of all evil. So Felix no longer trusts you anymore now because of money.
I am surprised. So surprised, but the Lord is our strength.
I assume the appointment with management is cancelled then.
It's of no use. We'll be going to open the joint account together.
Okay, tell me. What did you learn from school today?
Yes, I learned how to solve the most difficult mathematics in school today.
Oh my baby, that's my daughter. I love you. Okay, where are you going to take it?
I want you to take me to ShopRite.
Ice cream. That's why you're this big.
your mommy is not this big. See how big you are. My shawarma burger. My burger. I love you. Okay, don't worry. Later today, I'll take this shopping. Okay? My goodness. Why is your face like this?
Thank you.
How are you?
What is wrong? Come on, baby, talk to me. Wait, don't tell me the company changed their mind. Don't tell me that. Come on, baby, talk to me. Remember, a problem shared is a problem solved. Talk to me.
I love this company. Just imagine.
What happened? Eh? Oh, can you talk to me? What?
No, can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? The company looked at us and finally
what?
Finally they decided to give us 150 million. I am 150 million.
My love, it's not true.
Of course, that's true.
So we are how much?
150 million naira richer.
Oh my God! I'm so happy, and you scared me.
Of course, I was trying to pull you.
Oh, you did that right. You did that right. You did that right. Oh, baby, come on. We are 50 million richer.
150 million naira richer.
Wow. Wow. I'm so happy. Tell Daddy what you want.
I wanted to buy a car that will be taking me to school.
Oh, that's my girl.
Okay, my darling. Alright. That is granted. So you tell Dad the kind of car you want for your school.
I like Mercedes.
Oh my God, my baby's classy. She wants Mercedes.
Alright, I get you a Mercedes.
And baby, you've not asked me what I want.
Okay, what do you want?
I want Range Rover. Not just that, it has to be tear rubber.
Of course, I get a tear rubber for my woman. So I get you a tear rubber Range Rover Evoque, and I got my baby Mercedes.
A Mercedes! Oh!
Come here.
Mercedes! I love you, baby! Oh, I'm super excited! Wow, you scared me!
Yeah, I know how to try to pull your legs. Like, full milli, 150 milli.
I'm so happy! Wow! Wow!
So I'm hungry.
I will serve you, baby. What do you want?
Right away.
What everything you want? I'm gonna get it right away.
Okay.
Wow!
All right. Anything for my angel. My gelato. Okay, let's see how that looks on you. But one baby. All right. Love that. Besito. No, my nails are yes. Of course. So we have to celebrate like
Our God is
no, my God gonna be God. All celebration kind of.
God is so good.
All the time. Oriako.
Maybe waiting you could have.
Oh yeah, my girl, we are now. Oriako. Your husband is now a multi-millionaire.
Likewise, you.
I can't work. I come to work. Can we find a good now? Oh.
Take it easy now.
Oh, I know we will one celebration time.
Wait. Isn't it ladies first?
Can you imagine? Ladies first. Anyway, you have this.
Thank you.
Your husband is now a multi-millionaire.
Isn't God awesome?
Ha! Why can't you why you?
Onne. Matu. Na nife nego. Matu millions of containers.
Omaka Moa ga along the line in film. That's it. I will surprise, I will shock everybody.
And that's that, you know.
No, don't we have to now capacity. Yes, to long life,
more money,
prosperity,
yes,
more money, unity,
forever,
and love and peace. Stay with your husband.
And I want to sit with you.
I know you want to sit with me, but for now, go and sit with your husband.
So you are rejecting me now, eh?
Wifey, come and sit.
Well, I cooked onubo soup. Just now, yes.
Please get the food ready. I'm very hungry. Please.
I'll be right back.
So,
Hi, now, sit down.
Sona, what's up? How you doing?
I'm fine, as you can see. I'm chilling, waiting for us to share the money.
That's why I actually called you, for us to know how to share the money.
All by PDP now. Share the money equal. No addition, no subtraction.
I don't understand. Share the money equal how? Like 50-50?
We'll go now, umbrella party now, 50-50 now. 50 for you, 50 for me.
Food is ready.
Oh, Ada, now we are 1 minute. Thank you.
Don't you think you're forgetting something?
Something? No, what could that be?
Let's continue there.
Hi, Onubo soup.
Don't you think you're forgetting something?
What could that be?
In this money sharing, our mother is involved, our sister, then our uncle, who is like our father now.
This one, you're too much protocols they purge me, man. What do you mean by our mother, our sister, and even our uncle who have part of the money? Why? Yeah? Now, if we share this money, anything I feel like giving to them, I will give to them, and obviously I will give to them. But not to involve Uncle Ibe when sharing the money. Now, if you're involving Uncle Ibe, you're your own. No. I don't know the alcohol.
See, Felix, we have to go to the village. At least let our mother know that the money has been paid, even though they're not going to be part of it.
What difference does it make if we share the money and still let our mother know?
Our mother needs to know. It's a mark of respect. He's still our mother.
Nah, this man, I don't like all these things, man. I don't like it.
No, she deserves that.
Why
respect.
are you talking like this now? It's still the same thing. When we share the money, we still call Mama and tell her, hey, Mama, we've gotten the money and we've shared it. And obviously, we give them their own share, but it has to come from our mind. Now, why are you talking like this now?
We have to go and let her know. To give her that respect. She's still our mother.
So you actually mean that we have to let Mama know?
Exactly.
Okay, whatever. Well, whatever. Well, when are we going?
We still need to go and let our mother know.
Whatever. When do you want us to go?
I'm always available. Just choose a date.
Okay. I'll call you later in the evening so we decide when to go. Since it's what you want.
Wait, I treated
Okay, behind Felix.
Honey, what is it? What? Why is he leaving so soon?
Can you imagine? He didn't touch the food.
What happened?
Well, Felix is getting crazy. He's just telling me that our mother and our sister are not going to be involved in sharing of the money.
Ha! Why is it? No, no. It's not nice. What kind of statement is that?
I don't even understand.
You both are expected to go home first and discuss this with your mother, not you.
Ego danya bia oga de kwanya naba ifugo.
Your face is not bright at all.
Desmond is looking for my trouble.
Desmond. What is his problem?
Desmond had the guts to tell me that our mother, my sister, and even Uncle Ibekwe will have share of that money. Can you imagine?
Which money? The money?
Of course.
What kind of a joke is that? Is he okay? I don't understand. What is he saying? Yeah. Of course that's not possible, you know that.
Of course I know what his plan is, but I will be watching him.
No.
I have my eyes on him 24/7.
My love, that's a very wrong statement to make. How can you say you'll be watching him? You are a man. You should be in charge. Yes! You have responsibilities, though. You know that. You're a businessman as well. You need to turn over. Can you be watching? No. It is time for you to take action. A man will walk on the tides. No, it's gonna in a clear for what? Back here.
Anyway, there's no need to be worried. Thank God that the money is in our joint account, so he won't even try to do anything stupid. Exception of that, I will be worried. Because that sounds really crazy.
I know the money is in your joint account. But my love, you have to be very careful. Makanya ne wudat your brother. The way I am seeing him, it is very glaring that he is up to something. He is.
Whatever thing he's up to is not my problem. The only business I have with Desmond is sharing the money equal.
Bagam.
PDP, share the money equal.
It has to be shared.
If I have to give my mother money, that will come from my mind
Simple.
or my sister.
Simple. I don't call them and they could sisters. Shouldn't they go and get married?
Anyway, till we get to the village first.
Yes, so just cool, go down. Let's get to the village and return. But I must hear the next action to take. Why is he even calling your sister in this matter?
I wonder.
Won't she go and get married? What kind of nonsense talk is that? My love, I know that you're very, very angry. But all the same, you have to eat.
The food is ready. What you want?
Oh, Mama. Since our father is no more, I think you're in the position to tell us how to share the money.
Desmond, to the best of my knowledge, that was not the reason we came back home the first place. You said we are going to come home and let Mama know that we have the money, that we have to give her respect. Mama, I go give respect. The company, Apuigo Dogo. It's not for Mama to tell us how to share the money.
Felix, I had no concrete agreement with you. I told you that Mama and Juliet are part of the money.
When did you tell me that one, Desmond?
Shut up and listen to them, your senior brother. Mama, we've gotten the money. We want you to tell us how to share the money because the money is for all of us.
Desmond, that wasn't our agreement. We never discussed coming back here for Mama to tell us how to share the money. Obuli Fiber. Mama cannot tell us how to share the money.
Chelu, brother. Brother Felix, what are you insinuating? That we are not part of the money?
Juliet, yes, for now you are not part of the money. After sharing the money, anything we decide to give you and Mama, we will give you people. After all, we've been the one taking care of you guys.
Brother, you are joking. Just tell us you're joking, oh?
Me, I'm joking.
Wait, Chalupa Felix, how could you say a thing like that? That money is for all of us in this family.
Mama, tell him more, because I don't know what is wrong with this boy.
You see what you're causing? No, do you see what you're causing? Desmond, Mama, I want lawyer now, Papugo. Nobody is sidelining you. All I'm trying to say, when we have the money, out of my own will, I will give. I know what is good to do now. I know what is good to give you. Operoka, I maybe sharing, Mama collect. I know now. After sharing the money, what is good to give you?
See, I am doing the right thing. All we have to do is, let us put our heads together and know the best way to share this money.
The only best way to share the money is take your 150 million, I take my 150 million. That is the only way. I want our heads sign it here together, okay? Yeah, my money, can't worry, my business. You take your own. What's sharing the telling Mama to tell us how to share the money?
That's a very big lie. The money belongs to all of us, so it must be shared accordingly. Why are you selfish?
Don't go and marry. No, sit in your father's house and discuss how to share money. Your mates and their husband's house, you're here telling us how to share the money. If you can't run a bed differ.
You're going to make too much noise.
It's my father's money.
It's your father's money?
Right. Yes.
Oh, you're now dragging right in your father's house.
Felix again.
Mama, either don't want to. No, you have to talk to her now.
Felix, neighbors are listening. Please stop shouting. You're making noise. Please.
If you don't want me to make noise, say something useful. That's why I'm here.
Felix, we don't know why you're not. It's okay. Hey, Azuko.
Money must be shared, Mama, equally. I'll collect my share.
What is your problem? Feli?
How did he go?
Same story. We got home and this guy is still saying the same thing. That we have to share the money.
Which one?
That we have to share the money. We have to give to Uncle Ibe. We give Mama and give Juliet.
What sort of joke is that? Of course you know that's not possible.
Baby, listen. This is the time for you to tell them that you know your rights.
Yes! Let them understand that that money cannot be shared to another person but you and your elder brother. Mama or Juliet, they will never take part in that money. We're not even talking about Uncle Ibekwe or whatever his name is being called. Because he's not even in the picture at all. This is the time you're going to stand still, oh. I told you before. No, Ifugia.
No, it's obvious Desmond is looking for my trouble. But when he finds that trouble, Oga was. Anyway, let me just watch them.
We shouldn't even talk about that one because
who's sharing the money?
It's not in the picture. He has to share the money. It's not PDP. They should share the money.
Mama, never on earth would that money be shared without me collecting my own share.
Juliet, just calm down. Huh?
Mama, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down because I will not listen to you. You can go ahead to tell them to share the money without you. But as for me, I will collect my own share.
I just told you to calm down. Felix is definitely drunk. If not, how could he tell me that I don't have a right over my late husband's wealth? Mama?
It better be. It better be because I will not listen to anybody in this case.
No, he will definitely come back to his senses. He will.
Felix, okay.
No, please, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, please. Could you believe that this boy is trying to get a mad? How could he purposely count our sister and our mother out of the money? How?
Honey, this is crazy. I thought he was joking at first.
Felix is gradually getting mad. But I am going to find an antidote for him. I will.
No, but it hasn't gotten to that, you know. He is your younger brother. Alright, just make him understand. Make him see the fruits. Alright?
Felix is mad. Felix is crazy. Could you believe that? At the first place he wanted us to bury our father with the money. Is that not madness? Is it not?
Honey, listen. We all have our individual understanding. He's your younger brother, do not forget. Talk to him. Make him see reasons. Alright? I believe he will listen. Do not be too hard on him. Oh?
Let it be that Felix is just joking. Let it be that.
Honey, you are the first son of this family. Alright? Your duty is to maintain peace and harmony. I do not want this money thing to undermine the beautiful relationship we have in this family. Biko, please. You have to take things easy. Please. Please, 2 wrongs cannot make a right. Alright? Please.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, well, he's fine. He sent his regards. How are you?
I'm fine. Mom, I'll be leaving with her anytime that she'll be going.
You shut up your mouth. There's something wrong with you. Get inside.
Don't worry, baby. I'll let you know when I'm leaving, okay?
Go inside.
My sister, I came for an important talk.
What is it?
Well, I came to find out your take in this issue of the share of the money.
My take? I don't understand what you mean by my take.
You see, we can't fold our hands and watch our husbands quarrel because of money. It doesn't make sense, you know.
That is why the right thing has to be done. Yes. Tell your husband to share the money accordingly. Let everyone be happy. Otamba, or God want the money. How do you expect peace to reign? It's not done, not anywhere. Let him do the right thing. After all, I haven't seen where women partake in sharing of their father's wealth.
Wait. Are you in support of the fact that mother-in-law and Juliet shouldn't be part of the money?
Yes, I am. And let the right thing be done. And if your husband wants peace to reign in this family, he should bring out the money. Let us share. Let him take the money. Give an according. Unless he wants trouble. When the trouble comes out, he will be the one to run. He will run.
You amaze me, Phil. Are you the one saying all this?
I am saying it because the truth has to be said. No, Johnny, you see, I am very, very angry. And it's high time I told you the truth. I mean, I have to tell you how it's boiling inside of me. I don't have to calm down and then let everything wave. No, I will not. And come to think of it, I have this strong feeling that your husband has something over that money. Hey, he has failed. His plans, all his plans have failed. Unless Monobro. That way I'll put your man and call him. You know, see. You know. I know she's the one behind all this. She is the one encouraging that stupid husband of hers. I know. I need not to be told.
What did she say when she came?
The stupid woman opened her same mouth and said that she came to find out my take about the issue of sharing the money. I know full well that it was her husband that sent her. I answered her.
There's someone that's playing with me.
Honey, Did you just say he's playing with you? He is playing with us. In fact, they are playing with fire, and that fire will consume them. Most definitely, it will.
She's lucky I wasn't here when she came. I would have thought her a little puzzle. I mean, are they so daft? They thought I don't know their plans concerning the money.
Baby, you have forgotten who your wife is. And you obviously did not take it easy on her when she came here. I gave it to her back to back, pump and play. I told her to go back and tell that useless and stupid husband of ours the truth. Let them share the money if they don't want issues. I told her. They cannot take what rightfully belongs to us and they expect me to be mute about it. I will not though. I will burst. And if I burst, I'm an Ifonia.
Now listen.
Now.
I do not want to see her anywhere close to this house again until they share that money equal. PDP share the money equal.
Baby,
is that clear?
You don't have to worry. I am ever ready for them. In fact, I am not going to keep quiet for anybody to bring my family down. It is not done. I am ready to fight for my rights. I am ever ready. In a walk, don't worry. Nonsense. Now.
Whose car is this? Who is the owner of this car?
He didn't go out with his car.
Okay, so listen. I would have taken some drastic actions now. You don't get a whiskey man now. But let me just say, when your husband Namuas, Nantia Boso, Ngebuya Pantananya. Okay, from this car, I will start from this whiskey and I'll break it into pieces. Tell him that I said he should share the money equal. I have been saying that PDP share the money equal. No addition, no subtraction.
Boy, it hasn't gotten to this extent now. What is all this?
Bonyala, let me come back here again. Tinya alue bozo, eh? Why you feel? Can I see everything not at this house? Open on now, we are not more than mad for bed. Oh my very well. Tinya alue bozo. Come here, Biozo. Let me come back here.
Money rules the world. Even man do be a boy. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see?
Yeah, welcome once again, my son.
It's okay, you sent for me. That's why I came.
Oh yes, I sent for you.
What is it?
You see, I understand that you are quarreling with your brother because of the sharing of that money. And I don't think it is good. That is why I called you so that I can resolve the issue.
Oh, that is actually very kind of you to, finally step in. That's brilliant. So how do you intend to resolve it?
My son, you see, they say money is the root of all evil. So, and I don't want anything about money to make you cause harm among yourselves. So that is why I'm having this discussion with you.
Well, you haven't said anything meaningful. You're beating around the bush. So why not go straight to the point? So let me understand where you're actually heading to.
See, the truth of the matter is that your mother and your sister are supposed to share from this money. And if we are to follow tradition, your uncle, is also supposed to have a share of that money. But I don't want to go into all that. You see, there is...
Uncle, I've heard enough. I've heard enough already. I can see Desmond has bribed you, right? No, he has given you some money to manipulate your freaking self. But you know what? I, Felix, will win you people. I will win you people. All of you. Together. I will win you people.
Felix, what did you just say? No. What did you just say, Felix?
You heard me clearly. Desmond, my brother, has bribed you. But I, Felix, will win you people. All of you put together, I will win you people. And if that money is not shared accordingly, 150 million for Desmond and 150 million for me, war will keep happening.
You are saying I'm corrupt, right? Is that what you are saying? That Desmond bribed me, right? No, is that what you're saying? Tell me, Felix.
Nonsense.
No, come back. What did you say? You're calling me nonsense. Are you mad? Now get out of my house.
If not for one thing. If not for one thing, Mazi Bekwe.
Not for what? What will you do?
I would have reformatted your memory.
Get out. Madman. Oh, Robert.
Oh, so Juliet, you want to compete with me over my father's money?
Felix, even if Evan breaks loose, I must collect my own share of the money. It's my father's money.
On you.
Oh, Muna get an amazing debate, eh? No, I ain't amazing talk, eh? Juliet.
Be Felix Ogeni. Eh? What has come over you? Why are you behaving this strange?
No, Mama, you are the one behaving strange. Because you know the truth.
What truth?
No, Mama, you man, why are they kego, man? Why are they kego? You know the truth.
No, but they're bad. Eh? What truth are you talking about? Are you saying that your sister and I cannot partake in your father's wealth? Is that what you're saying? Eh?
Mama, leave him. He's fighting a lost battle. I'll go for that money. We will share it accordingly.
Yes,
and there's nothing you do about it.
Juliet, more.
Hi, Eke.
He
make it.
Mwagola, which are yellowish brown. Mwagola.
You think you're the only one that have answer? Try and touch me and see what I will do to you. Try it.
We are now mates.
Okay. What is it?
No, we are now mates, eh?
What is your problem?
Muna ga blue go now. Eh? Mama,
what is it?
Rap godim kamwa this girl ola. Rap godim kamwa.
Makuamu. Okay.
Felix, I've lost all the respect I have for you. Yes! Since you are depriving me of my right, I've lost the respect I have for you.
So Julia, we are now mates.
Yes!
No, Mona ga blue go
Felix, rap.
Mona gi.
I will not hold you for too long.
Okay, no problem. I forgot my Konuji now. No, I've seen everything. I will go and I will come back. But when I come back, I got the bloody. I forget. Everybody from now. What I will do to you, eh?
Felix, no.
Felix, you are selfish.
Okay, what is it? Hey, Felix,
that's no problem. I will come back. When I got blue go, I ain't make debate. I talk. All right.
You are too selfish. You are too selfish, Felix. You are selfish.
Felix, why do you want to kill me before my time? Why?
Don't tell me you want to cry, yo.
Who wants to cry? Eh? Do I look like someone who wants to cry?
I'm telling you the fact. Juliet nearly fought me. She insulted my life.
Hey!
You imagine Juliet in Konya.
Juliet, baby, I told you.
I told you that these people are up to something. They have teamed up against us. Eh? Wait, Juliet shouted at you.
I said she nearly fought me. She nearly fought me.
I told you, but you wouldn't listen to me. I told you that these people have plans. Ifugonian, they have teamed up against us for no just cause.
Of course. No, it's obvious they have teamed up against me.
Hey.
But I thank God I listened to you. No, if I had left that money in Desmond's account, it would have been a different story by now. How can we just not gahali, man?
It's Ogono. I knew it. I already knew it. That was why I told you that the money cannot be in his personal account. That it has to be joint account. If not, Makobo no one in his personal account. By now, that's it. Hey!
Anyway, truth be told, you did a very nice job there. You called my attention because I was thinking this dude has nothing against me. I was thinking he's with me. That's what I thought. Not my brother now. Why am I thinking negative? That he got me.
I'm sure his wife has been the one engineering that useless woman. But don't worry. We are going to fight this to the end.
And as for Juliet, I know what I'm going to do to her.
Did you say that Juliet spoke to you rudely?
Juliet wanted to fight me.
Juliet.
But don't worry. I know what I'm going to do to Juliet. I'm going to keep her where she rightfully belongs. Olomoma, Felix. I am going to put Juliet where she rightfully belongs. She can talk to me anyhow.
She should thank herself that I did not travel with you. I would have given her the beating of her life. Look at Juliet, talking to my husband anyhow. What nonsense! Oh. If I knew Kumbo, no man know the Mumazi. Oh, no, not Charlie, a go get away. Stupid idiots. Come with the yours.
Anyway, the only business I have with Desmond is sharing that money.
Share the money.
PDP, share the money equal.
Bagam.
Or by umbrella party,
Simple.
share the money equal.
Share the money equal.
If I have to give them money, I will give them money.
Don't
tell me how to use my money.
And I could have can. It's not PDP. Share the money equal.
Equal, no. Listen
to me. What I will not tolerate from you. What is you insulting my husband? The next time you will point your filthy hands on him, Imagine it.
Come on,